Hi, guys. We need to talk about speed sound got deleted. Let's test it. Legends was true. But the jump scares sound was still have sound. I think Roblox probably deleted the sound, or it has the issue on it. As you hear, there is no sound on speed. I think probably they made Nico's nextbot down because of speed sound. Even on 1 week ago, Nico's nextbot was down. They also deleted quandie. Also tried the do pause menu to able to hear the nextbot sound, and there's no sound. When I do pause menu and then continue to hear nextbot sound, obviously quandie was deleted. Quandie got deleted 2 times, and this is the last removal. Rest in peace, quandie. Well, I think speed is going to be deleted. Legends think. Do you guys think also? Let's hope Nico's nextbot to not be deleted. Like and subscribe for more. Stay safe.